Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and the time is now to do a review of 2018 Tesla sales, and they were unbelievable. I'll give you some numbers and then some commentary, and hopefully you can join in the conversation. But before I do that, I want to thank you all for watching, subscribing, supporting. I'll appreciate if you can support this channel by becoming a patron and or shop at the Electric Israeli store. All the links are below, and let's get right into it. So from the beginning of this year, Tesla all together, Model S, Model X, and Model 3 produced 191,627 Teslas in the year 2018. That is, by the way, way more than 50% of the all electric cars and plug-in hybrid produced and sold in the United States in 2018. That is an amazing number. However, the biggest driver obviously is the Tesla Model 3, which produced and delivered this year 139,782 cars. And from the beginning, from last year, from 2017, late 2017 into 2018, 141,546. So again, altogether 191,627 Teslas of all three models were produced and sold in the United States. Amazing. Let's just take a look at the last few months. July of 2018, 14,250. August, 17,800. September, 22,250. October, 18,650. And December, the month that just passed, unbelievable, 25,250. If you take all these numbers together of the last few months, that's more than 1,000 Tesla Model 3s in a week. That is a staggering number. Interestingly enough, just for comparison, in the heights of Leaf, as in Nissan Leaf, in 2014, Nissan produced and sold in the United States 30,200. So compared to Tesla, which is almost 200,000, it's like 4 or 5 times more. It's unbelievable what Tesla did. So whatever people say about Tesla, whatever the issues, the problems, I don't know, deliveries, Elon Musk tweets, you name it, whatever you can come up with it, you cannot argue with results. Results and numbers are the biggest fact, the most important thing that one should consider. And that's why what Tesla has done in the past year is incredible. In the past 2 years, incredible. And since it was since the inception 10 years ago, it's just incredible. This is a company that says and delivers. Looking really forward for 2019, maybe with the Model Y and the Tesla truck and all those great things. And of course, to me, very important, the Tesla Model 3 base 35,000. Now that Tesla lost the half of the federal tax incentive for the next 6 months, and then half of that for the next 6 months after that, and then done. We'll talk about the Tesla reducing the price of the Teslas in the next video, so stay tuned. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon so you can get notification. I produce videos every single day. Help me change the world one electric car at a time, and I'll see you tomorrow.